Guys, welcome back to the Trader Nixon channel. Make sure to subscribe, share, like this video, and we are going to do again another time market update for the past week and the incoming week. So let's quickly look into some of the pairs that I have here. Let's look into some of the pairs quickly. Here I have GBP USD. GBP USD, and I spoke some facts about GBP USD in the past week updates, and I mean you see all of these things happening unless you are not following the updates. When I said the inverse head and shoulder here, the head and shoulder here is not so strong enough to keep the market coming down, but it was definitely gonna break and come up here. And so that is exactly what is happening. You could see when it comes to we're already in an uptrend. When it comes to the daily time frame, you'll see that there is an head and shoulder here. These are left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and you see the drop from here. And market was around here, and I said, look, market is gonna go. It has higher chances of going up because this head and shoulder that I see here is not strong enough. And what I am even perceiving is that next week, the coming week, market is going to break straight away and start going up to the previous highs, or it's going to just drop down like this and start going up like this. That's the catalyst in time. This is the timeline of GBP USD. What is likely to happen on GBP USD? What's likely to happen on GBP USD? So when we look at the 4 hour, for example, you'll see that the market came here, accumulated, giving us some bearish presence, but it never fulfilled, or it never dropped down below, and then went up instead. Came here doing the same thing, playing the same trick. Okay, and if market does not drop deep down like I am saying right here before going up, it's just going to play around here and go up like this. It's GBP USD we are talking about. So when it does that, then it means the pound is still very stronger than the US dollar. That's it. So let's quickly go to my next currency pair, and that is going to be USDJPY. USDJPY is still kind of consolidating in the same zone. If you can see here, you see that there's a lot of consolidation here. Beautiful. So let's put this back. Let's put this back here like this. See that there's a lot of consolidation here. Let me take off that particular box. Let's go to the weekly, and if I the monthly, let's see the monthly. So the monthly, you will see that there is a bearish move that has started. That was last 2 weeks Friday, NFP. After that, the market has not been the same. It has been consolidating after that huge bearish move. See the daily right here. The kind of feeling this is giving me some bearish move kind of feeling. That is to say the pound is still gonna master so much strength. Is gonna get so much strength and beat the dollar, like I was saying. So because what I'm seeing now, the accumulation I'm seeing here is just speaking for JPY than the dollar, right? So Japanese strength still for next week. I just feel like it. Japanese strength still for next week. Now the market was going up to this zone here, respected it and dropped again. I caught some trades here to the downside here, and I saw these accumulation, and I tapped out because it was on Friday. Tapped out very quick, and then boom, market was moving up like this. So next week, what I will expect is the market playing around here, and then I will still expect some drops to this key zone here, a key zone here. So that's it. Let's go to gold, XAU USD very quickly, and then let's go to Bitcoin after. So on gold is now kind of opening up. I think I blew my account because gold did the same thing GBP USD was doing at the time. That was at the time. Gave us this bearish presence, it never came down. Then went up again, some nonsense moves, gave us this bearish presence. At the time I wasn't even watching gold, dropped like this, like I was waiting for it to drop, and then continuation. I feel like there will be more continuation of sales until something else change in structure. Yes, during the course of the coming week. So there's going to be like continuation of sales on gold. Continuation of sales on gold. Gold, when you look at it, you'll see that in a higher time frame, you see this bearish candle. It has, destroyed what this candle and that candle has done, because it has almost engulfed the two candles. I said almost, because when you look at here, this place, the body of this candle has not been engulfed fully yet. So next week, when the market opens, look for sells on gold rather than buys. I don't see any buys. Or maybe accumulation. If there's not going to be a massive sell, it's going to be accumulation, right, on gold. But I just pray there's a movement. And if there's going to be a movement, it's going to be good sales that I'll be looking for, honestly. Let's go to the 4-hour. You see, the market is now turning down like this. We respected this zone here. Then market came down to it again, yet another time. So when the market opens, we could see something like this, and then a drop like that. Oils, the market will definitely go up like this, but I don't see that happening too. I rather expect the market to drop to the zones here. Yeah, that's why I'm saying sells on gold. I have a reason for saying that. Then we have BTC USD. BTC USD here. Monthly, what do we see? We see bullish movements. When it comes to the weekly, what do we see? We still see bullish move, steady moves. We still see steady movements on BTC USD. Steady movements. I'm about to make a prediction, so yeah, I should wait and see what I'll say. I'm just monitoring this right now. Okay, so I think Bitcoin is gonna drop low to 110 thereabout, and then possibly go up again massively. Okay, so that's what I think of BTC USD. And now let's go to Ethereum. That's my favorite cryptocurrency at the moment. It's because of the way it's moving. It's just moving nicely. You understand when something is moving nicely. So I it's the same thing. I think it should move to $4,000 $3,950 or 3,950 and then go up again. Let's look at XRP. SRP2 will just dance around that zone, this area, that's this area, and go up. Just going to dance around here and go up, or better still, it's just going to come here and then move like this. So that's it. That's what I'm going to look into this week for you guys. Simple and short. The reason why I'm not looking into a lot of time frames on this is because I already know the trend of the market, and so I just want to focus on the current market structure or current price action. You understand? So that's it. My name is Shoda Nixon. Make sure to subscribe, share, like this video. I'm out.